Hello friends, welcome to my channel Financial Way. So today I am here with unboxing video of one or more credit card which I ordered. That is Slice Card. Slice Card recently you must have seen while viewing through the YouTube videos. Many ads are coming for the Slice Card. Why this is particularly good? Because it does not require a CIBIL score. This is the first credit card I think which does not require a CIBIL score card. So anyone which may be housewife or a student can apply for this card basis on the terms and conditions of this Slice. So guys, I have already opened this earlier. Now I am showing it in front of you. So what are the things or benefits we get inside this? This is a box. It's a very soothing color actually. This is a logo. Slice is in coordination with SPM Bank. So let's open it. These are the brochures which we get. First of all, green color packet is there where it is written Hello Dreamer. There's nothing in this world that makes us happier than you bringing home the Slice Super Card. A lot of effort, love and hard work went into creating this magical little thing so you could just tap it, slice it and love it. Team Slice. This is a very innovative actually because it's looking like a colorful book you can see. Second one, just check it. Mind blowing. These are the stickers actually. Just to promote the card, they have inserted stickers on that. It's like one of the sticker. It reads, not sure if everything is expensive or important. Second one is slice it baby. Third one is showing money and cardboard. Fourth one is showing I'm not lazy. I'm very relaxed. Fifth one is showing on my way to empty my wallet, and sixth one is making now epic. All these stickers describes the ability of the slice. Means if you just check it like this one, very first thing which will come into your mind that money has been replaced with the card. If you check this one, it's showing that you need not to tension anything if you have this card on your hand, because it's showing I'm very much relaxed. If you see this one, on my way to empty my wallet, means I can spend anything with this card. So great. This is a very innovative thing the Slice team has put up. It's for the children, of course. Third one is a blue card which shows that now that you own the Slice Super Card, enjoy amazing features like, first feature is get up to 2% instant cashback on every transaction. That is a very great feature because right now what I have at Amazon Prime card which I was having, it was giving 1% cashback, and here it is giving 2% cashback on every transaction. That is very particular. Means every 100 rupees or 100 rupees of spent, you are saving 2 rupees. That saves a lot. Second one is slice your card bill over 3 months without any extra charges. That's a great feature because you don't have to pay any charges up to 3 months. And third one is enjoy new deals every week with a Spark, like Amazon, Flipkart and many sites. The offers will be coming on a Slice Card because they have recently launched. They will amalgamate with all these companies and definitely they will be bringing great offers for you. So now these were the three cards which I described, and the colors are also very bright. You can see this is the card and see how beautifully they have made it. Actually, whoever has made this now, they must be very innovative team. Now if you see, it is written pull here. Okay now, in first page it is written we believe you can fly, we believe you will fly. Make now epic slice. Here if I pull, see, if I'll pull, simultaneously a card will come plus a scanner code will come. Now just to tell you, this QR code is for the purpose of generating the pin. It's written here, let's your card gets activated, scan the QR code or go to the Slice app and then you can scan this QR code. Second one, if you see the card one, the card is a purple color card. It is a Visa Platinum card and all the offers of the Visa Platinum card will be available here. So there's a flying bird here. This is actually a very nice packing And first time ever, I have unboxed so many credit cards and debit card, and first time ever I am seeing this great packing the card. So, guys, if you have not like, share, and subscribe my videos, so please like, share, and subscribe for more such exciting videos. Thank you so much, guys.